Lisa, aka She Yogic, and I'm one of the co-authors of Resilience Through Yoga and Meditation, volume number 2. And in my story, I'm going to tell you how I got into yoga and how I dealt with some cultural issues surrounding yoga being associated with Eastern religions, and how through my journey I've helped, or I've battled and won anxiety issues. So I hope that you are drawn to this book. I'm not the only woman in this book who's writing about how yoga has helped overcome some really challenging issues in their life. And yeah, I hope you like it. I hope it inspires you. And I hope you not only read my chapter, but you read all the other co-authors' chapters. So if you want to know more about me, you can find me online at sheyogic.com. I'm also on Instagram at sheyogic. So once again, pick up the book, read the chapter, reach out to me if you have any questions, and yeah, namaste.